Arizona's Family investigates tonight. There is a backlog of more than 1,000 complaints and investigations against Maricopa County deputies, and now a federal judge is issuing a new ultimatum to MCSO tonight. Clear that backlog or pay up.
All of this stems from a lawsuit dating back more than a decade, which has cost taxpayers hundreds of millions of dollars. Amy Cutler has a look at the fines and the plans to move forward.
In an 11-page federal court order, U.S. District Judge Murray Snow lays out the plan for the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office to eliminate the backlog on internal investigations. At the end of July, the department says it had more than 1,300 of these open cases, 40% of them 4+ years old. To put that in perspective, the Sheriff's Office was supposed to investigate a case in 60 days.
What I'm seeing in those words from the judge is quite a bit of frustration.
Frustration with the backlog is nothing new.
If policies are not enforced, they're just words on paper.
Emily Gunston worked for the DOJ, overseeing cases like the one in Maricopa County.
It creates a terrible problem for the community when the community feels like they saw something happen, they reported it to their sheriff's office about misconduct by an officer, and the sheriff's office does nothing.
All this dates back to 2008 when Latino drivers sued MCSO and then Sheriff Joe Arpaio, saying they were being racially profiled. Judge Snow agreed. In 2013, he put a federal monitor in place to oversee reforms. Arizona's Family investigates, following it closely.
This is not governed by financial incentives.
At the end of August, taxpayers spent over $320 million to help the department come into compliance. The internal investigation backlog, a part of it.
We look at this as a win-win for all parties involved.
Christine Wee, an attorney with the ACLU, represents the plaintiffs and supports the order. It gives MCSO 3 times as much time to investigate each internal affairs case. But beginning next month, they'll have to reduce the backlog by 45 cases each month. That will increase each quarter until it gets to 60.
We're hopeful that there's now a more clarity on what needs to be done moving forward.
It also comes with penalties if the sheriff's office doesn't clear a certain number of cases in a quarter. The department could be fined, and that money would go to hire more investigators.
I've not seen a court order quite like this before. It's quite a creative solution.
MCSO will also have to hire an additional 10 investigators to handle these cases by the end of the year. If all goes as planned, this will eliminate the backlog by March 31st, 2026. Amy Cutler, Arizona's Family investigates.